Want to know how to recover deleted videos, photos on Android using one tool? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes in this process. So the first option, we will go to the settings and then we will click on this apps and notifications. Then we will click on this see all apps here, and then we will search for file manager, and we will click on this option here, and we will actually force stop this option. So we will click on this one, and then we will go to the Play Store, and you will actually search for this app here, which is called free happy apps. And happy free apps or free happy apps, it's something like this, like happy apps free, happy apps free, okay. And then you have to install this application into your mobile. So we will just install this application here. It's a free tool that will actually recover your photos and videos in the Android mobile, okay. So you just have to actually like install this application into your uh, and Android. But first make sure that you have force stopped the file manager in the settings option, okay. So then we will open up this application here and wait for it to actually load. We will click on get started, we will click on allow, and we will click on get started here. So it will actually loads the ad. So we will cross from this, and then we will actually click on this scan option here, and it will actually ask like scan for images, scan for videos, audios and documents. So like if you want to scan the images here, we will click on scan images here, and if the loads pops up again, you will click on this cross icon on the top right, and now it's actually like scanning, okay, scanning images, please be patient. So it will actually take that time. It depends upon the speed of your mobile. So it's actually it's actually loaded these images, it's scanning these images right here. So I will come back to you when it's done scanning, okay. Okay, so the picture process was actually taking so much time because I've had like very much images in my phone, so that's why it was taking so much time. So let's try this one, which is called scan audios. So we will click on this one here, and it is saying that it recovered like 58 audios, 65. So the process will be in the same actually for images and videos here, okay. So as you can see that it's actually like recover these audio files from my phone. So if I wanted to like restore them, I will just click on this image here, and here you can see these four options. So if I click on save here, it actually now saved this into my memory, okay. So you can repeat this process with images, videos and documents. So that's it for this video here. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any questions about the topic we covered today, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.